Hiccups sudden, annoying, and impossible to ignore. But what actually causes them? It all starts with a muscle you rarely think about: the diaphragm. Normally the diaphragm moves smoothly, but sometimes it suddenly spasms. This spasm forces air into your lungs and slams your vocal cords shut. That sudden closure creates the familiar hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by overeating, cold drinks, alcohol, or even sudden emotions. They're harmless, but still a mystery science hasn't fully solved. Next time you hiccup, remember, it's your diaphragm misfiring for just a moment.